a chilled beet soup that's creamy, fresh and perfect for warm days. It's a classic with a twist you'll love. You'll find all the ingredients in the description. I like to check the list with a cup of tea before I start. First, I boil the beets and eggs. I usually do it ahead of time so they can cool down properly. Next, I finely chop some fresh chives. It gives such a lovely crunch. I do the same with dill. Everything starts to smell like summer in the kitchen. It's such a comforting scent. I sprinkle some salt and crush the herbs a bit, either with a potato masher or a mortar. It brings out their full flavor. I peel the cucumbers and dice them as small as I can. The finer they are, the smoother the soup will feel. What's your favorite summer soup? This beet version or something else refreshing? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to hear your twist. Same for the radishes, finely chopped for that little kick and freshness. Then I peel and chop the eggs. I always keep one whole for serving. It looks so nice on top. Time for the beets. I grate them on the fine side. Carefully though, they love to stain everything. In a big pot, I squeeze in some lemon juice. Then I add kefir, water, a bit of sour cream, mustard, salt and pepper. Mix it all well, and that's basically your cold soup done. I serve it with half an egg, and sometimes with boiled baby potatoes on the side. It reminds me of home every time. And that's it. Light, refreshing, and so satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe for more cozy cooking.